Gang, man, what it do, man? What it do, man? Back at it with another video, man. Hey, if you're just now tuning in, this is your first time checking out the channel, man, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn that bell on, turn that bell on, man. I was looking at my beard, so I said bell, like, the beard kind of glistening right now, though. Glistening, all that. But yeah, man, make sure you go ahead and turn that bell on. That way you get notified every time I drop a new video, man. It's late, man. We just crossed the border, man. We just got into Mexico. I don't really know what's pretty much going on tonight. I don't know who running what, who running who. Let me turn this off, man, 'cause I don't know, I thought. But yeah, man, they had put in the chat, man. They were just like, you know, hey, y'all need to come to Mexico tonight. Y'all ain't doing that, so I just came to check the scene out, man, see what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I don't know who all out here and how long they been out here, man. I might well get my address changed to Mexico as much as we be out here, man. But we gonna see what's popping, man. What's this, man?
The motherfucker called.
You see brother in this CRV right here?
Yeah.
Hey, man. How you doing, sir? Doing all right, sir?
Lock my keys in the car.
You just locked your keys in the car. Every time I pull my camera out, it's a different story with you, bro. Like, how you leave?
It locked on it.
Come on, man. You making the Mopar community look bad, bro. Hold up. You allow him to lock his keys in the car, bro? You allow him to lock his keys in the car?
No, he did it by himself, man. I don't know how he did it.
That too.
You ain't got no spell?
Yeah, that's what he wanted to do.
Oh, okay. Hey, just for that, bro, you got to drop down and give me 20, bro. You got to drop down and give me 20 just for the key, bro.
But you just went all the way to Atlanta Highway, bro.
He said he was scared of fire.
And you ain't get that man no gas money. Come on.
You ain't getting no gas? Oh, that's 30, bro. That's 30.
You need to let me finish.
I need him. Yeah, I need him.
I don't know if I do third for you. I don't know about that. No.
We out here, man, streets of Mexico, man. We are, oh, hold on, let me go ahead. Yeah, there we go, man. We a couple cars deep, man. Got a Mustang right there, got a Challenger down there. Got the 350Z right here. We got another Mustang. No, wait a minute. Oh, that's the Camaro, that's Junior. That's the SS right there. Y'all see Maxine sitting right there in the back. We got Jose and supposedly Scat Killer. And I just
Baby, all the way.
Hold on. Hey, man. Hey, man. Somebody said you named your car the Scat Killer.
A Scat Killer?
Is that true, sir?
It might be, man.
Is it true, sir? Ta. Oh, Jose. Jose, that's a trap. That mother loud, bro.
Yeah.
Where you at, Jose?
Huh?
Where you at, Jose?
I don't know if I can do that.
Where you at, bro? Let's see what them 5-inch tilts talking about, man. Pause.
All you're gonna hear right now is deep ass. No.
She gonna hurt your goddamn ears.
Yeah, man, where my headphones at?
Get out the way, man. He's at a big out the
God damn, boy. But that shit is crazy, bro.
I already did a road race before. But he did a road. He didn't want to do no dig.
Oh, nah, I ain't gonna tell you. Man, Mustang running right at 5.2.
Yeah, I know. He got a supercharger and everything.
Yeah, that.
He don't say he ain't gonna pull up.
Man, he go through car all the time.
Told you, if he didn't test in the group chat, man.
Come on, Jay.
He had a Z062.
That Corvette,
Yeah.
Hey, I'll run this 350, man.
Oh, man.
I started off. James and on to run this 350. Huh?
James and Jose, Nate.
James and Junior. Kill me. I want that Camaro. I thought running, you gonna run.
We got Eco Boost
Y'all got the same rims and everything.
versus 350Z. Man, my car so dirty, dog. Who y'all got, man? Y'all drop some comments down below, man. Y'all tell me who y'all got, huh?
You know you got same rims as some
Junior.
I thought we did, but they look alike. They kind of similar. I thought the same thing the first time I saw him. Hey, man, that man said he ain't got no ties, and he still gonna try you, bro.
That's fine, bro.
Ooh. Ooh, hey, all I'm talking about, man. Hey, man.
My tail light so pretty, bro.
Hey, he said.
Catch them when they dance, cause when they up, they gonna get checked.
He said his tail like pretty, bro.
Man.
That's what he said now.
Man.
Who y'all got, man? Y'all drop some comments down below, man. Y'all tell me who y'all got, man. Y'all going Eco Boost or y'all going 350Z, man? They want to see what they got, man. So we gonna go ahead and line them up. They gonna start it off. Mustang got it. All right, man. Mustang got the last one. Z want to run it back. So we gonna see what's what. That boy tattooed the pavement on that one, boy. Ooh, alright. That boy said he gonna show you what a real V6 sound like.
I'm gonna let Jose do it though.
Come on, he sounds scared.
Oh,
I respect it because he got his own car. Then he got you behind that wheel, so what you working with, my guy? Come on now. Come on, my guy. What's wrong with him?
oh.
I got a scat pack. I ain't no driver now, but I'm gonna let somebody else drive. I know he working with. Come on now. Let's get it.
Get in your tire. Come on. Come on up. Come on up.
A little extra, man.
You all right, man?
That codeine kicked in.